Greetings viewers, Rick here at Rick's Automotive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life percentage on a 2011 Honda Odyssey. To reset the oil life percentage, you're going to use this tab here where my finger is next to the gas gauge. Just going to press that down until just going to tab through it until you get to your oil life percentage. Once that reads oil life percentage, you're going to press and hold on the tab. You're going to hold this down for about 10 seconds. Once you hold it down for 10 seconds, this here display will come up. It'll say reset or cancel. You want to use this as a toggle, actually. Move it back and forth. You turn this dial here. You turn it to where it says reset and just press it real quick. And there you have it. This oil life's reset. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.